Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Okay, good evening, Hemang, Oma, and Nishika. So, how are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Right. Please turn on video, everyone. Hemang, after so long, where were you?
Ma'am, my half yearlies were going on.
Okay, now it's done.
No, ma'am, last exam left tomorrow.
Tomorrow you are having last exam. Which exam you are having tomorrow?
Ma'am, third language, Telugu.
Okay. So almost you are free.
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, even my exams are over.
Yours over. Okay, great.
Yeah, ma'am.
When you are getting your result?
Ma'am, we already got it.
Got the result, okay? Tell me your marks.
In science, I got 73 out of 80.
73 out of 80. Okay, so where are your marks deducted?
Actually, so one of the old chapters, like in biology, nutrition and plants, they asked out of syllabus questions, so I wasn't able to do that.
And what
I
about
lost my
previously?
4 marks there, and then
Ah,
probably some normal mistakes in other parts of the paper.
okay.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Shayans. Okay. Okay, everyone. Turn on camera, Aryan and Nishika.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in my question paper actually.
Tell me.
Ma'am, the question was which of the following is not a sign of chemical reaction?
Okay.
And the options were change in color, change in shape, formation of precipitate, evolution of gas.
Hmm. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I actually kept it as change in color.
No, but this is the sign of chemical reaction, no? Change in shape is not the sign of chemical reaction because suppose you are having a, say, elastic. Okay, you can pull the elastic and the change shape will be changed. But this is not the chemical equation. No, chemical reaction is not going to take place in this activity. But color change is the sign of chemical reaction. Because there are so many reaction in which there is a color change, like copper sulfate, blue color turns white. Okay, so there's so many equation in which color change is there. So rest three are the sign of chemical reaction: color change, precipitation, and what was the third one?
Evolution of gas.
Evolution of gases also. Okay, so shape changing shape is a physical change. It is not the chemical change. Hmm.
Ma'am, and also one more question. In which
Hmm.
mode of heat transfer does heat travel through a vacuum? I kept it as radiation.
Hmm.
Ma'am, is that correct? Ma'am?
Hmm. Yes.
Ma'am, is that correct?
Which one? Sorry, say again.
Which mode of heat transfer does heat travel through vacuum is the question. I
Hmm.
kept it as radiation was the answer.
Radiation and vacuum. Huh, this is the correct. I think yes.
But most of my friends kept it as convection.
Sure. Uh, Radiation is also correct, actually. Radiation is possible without medium. I mean, these waves also travel in vacuum. Like say for example, if you are taking example of say heat, I mean sun heat. Okay, so how the heat of sun coming to earth?
Through
Which
radiation.
yes, through radiation. And radiation also there is no medium, no air present between sun and earth. So almost it's a vacuum. But the heat is coming, radiated from sun to earth. So yes, radiation is right answer.
Okay, ma'am.
You can quote this example also. Okay. Any other doubt? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, so yes.
Ma'am, I said no.
Okay. So Aryan Charvi is also here. Nishika, turn on camera first. Okay, so did we discuss which chapter we are going to start? I think I don't remember anything. Let me check how many chapters are left. How many chapters are left, everyone? Could you tell me? Yes, Himang. Just
Yes,
check your
ma'am.
notebook. Tell me how many chapters are left now.
Ma'am, I don't have my like the origin. I have my rough book.
Oh, whatever. Acid, base, and salts. Are we done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Heat. Are we
Yes,
done
ma'am.
with heat?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Physical and chemical changes?
Yes, ma'am.
This is also done. Okay. Then this is bio. Then motion and time?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Electric current and its effect? No.
No, ma'am.
Light?
No, ma'am.
No. So these three chapters are left.
Yes.
Okay. So we are starting with electric current and its effect. Okay. Good to go? Okay, everyone?
Yes, Yes, ma'am. ma'am.
Okay, chalo, let's start electric current and its effect. Okay, so before starting the chapter electric current and its effect, first tell me what is the importance of electricity in our life? How this electricity is so important for us? What is the importance of electricity in our daily life? Yes, anyone?
Ma'am, it helps us in day-to-day life, such as our basics, like we charge our devices which are needed. Then it gives us like many cars run on electricity.
Yes.
Ma'am, like it's a many like medium of work. It
Yes,
helps us
it's a
in
medium.
works.
Yes. So first we are starting with the relevance of electricity in our daily life. Okay, so I'm giving you one option and you need to tell me in that area what are the uses of electricity. So first we are starting with our home. So what is the importance of electricity in home and comfort? We can also
Ma'am,
yes.
may I tell?
Yes,
Ma'am, one of the most important appliances of electricity we use at home is the MCB, which is the upgraded version, or we can say a better alternative to fuse. So what does the MCB do? It is based on the electrical It's based on the electrical. I'm just one second.
Hemang, sit properly better. You are sitting in class. Hemang.
So, ma'am, basically, MCB is used to restrict the excessive electrical flow in a circuit to to prevent the breaking or to prevent over electrocution, which can damage health and body, and as well as electrical appliances. And this
Huh.
is used in almost every homes, and it is a better alternative to fuse because it can automatically or manually be resetted with the help of a switch instead of completely replacing it.
Yes, so MCB is the one thing which we are using, and basically it is MCB, it is controlling the amount of electricity which is flowing in our home.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but what are the uses of electricity which in our home?
Ma'am, like
How?
light, fans.
Yes,
we,
light, fan, yes, very good.
Ma'am, then in kitchens like microwave, OTG,
Yes,
etc.
very good.
Stove.
So we are, yes, we are having ACs, fridge, light, fan, heater. We are charging our mobile, laptop, everything. Okay, so without electricity, so nothing will work. Okay, all these things will stop working if electricity is not. So this is the importance of electricity in our house. Okay. Second, what is the importance of electricity in education? And what? Yes, Uma, tell me.
Ma'am,
Uma, your name is Uma?
no.
Okay, Uma, tell me.
Ma'am, education means in schools?
Education means any form of education. What do you feel like is school? Anywhere. Like,
Ma'am, we use smart board in our school.
yes, very good, very well done. Yes, smart board will not work. Yes.
We,
And
we use so many computers in our computer lab.
yes, computer will not work. Very good. And
Fans, lights.
light fan तो हो गया.
Uh,
Are our online class will also not possible, na? If electricity is not there. How can you miss that point? Okay. So in education of work, your smart boards, your computers, our class also, you are having projector also in your school. So all these things like 100% depends on electricity only. Okay, so this is the usage of electricity in education, and office will not work if electricity is not there. Factories will not work if electricity is not there. Okay, banks will not work because everything is like online today's time. Everything is based on electricity, so these things will not work. Okay, next is what is the importance of electricity in transport? Yes, Shreyans, tell me.
Ma'am, nowadays they are using the EV cars, ma'am.
Yes.
Which require charging, ma'am.
Yes.
Because the like it will benefit us in a lot because usage of fuel is not a good idea because fuel is limited in our earth.
Yes.
And then, ma'am, also in some cars, nowadays most of the cars will have a dashboard which will have a like TV type, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Yes.
And then another.
So our electric trains, our metros, our dams will not, electric signal, they will not work if electricity is not there. Okay. Yes, Hemang, tell me.
Ma'am, because electric is very convenient, the governments are also adopting buses which run on electricity.
Yes, yes. Nowadays we are moving towards e-vehicle. So whether it is bus or the car, we are moving towards the e-vehicle because you know petrol, so we already discussed, na, it's a coal and petroleum chapter. So these sources so will going to be extinguished after a certain period of time. So we need to move some other alternatives. So e-bus, e-vehicle are the good option. Okay, so again electricity is there. Okay, Hemang, tell me the use of electricity in health and medicine field.
Ma'am, in health and medicine fields in the hospitals, like there are machines which measure the heartbeats, blood pressure, etc. Then they use their system to check the details of patients.
Yes,
Then in
very good.
medicine shop, they'll check the availability of the medicines through this computers.
Yes, very good. Now there are so many medicines which require a particular temperature. So we need to put them into deep freezer or fridge. So if electricity is not there, we can't, these medicines will go in vain. Okay, because we can't regulate the temperature for these medicines. Also, the ventilator, the life support system in hospital, they are 100% electricity based. So they will not work, okay? Whether it is for elder person ventilator or for NICU, the young, the small babies we used to keep in. Okay, so all these things will not work. So X-rays, ECG, all these things. So very good. So next is entertainment. What is the use of electricity? Most favorite area of science? You tell me.
Ma'am, it is used for TVs, ma'am, television, and obviously, ma'am, it is now used for computers, laptops, and then charging our mobiles. Then also there are projectors, ma'am, and
Yes.
then
Ma'am, PlayStations.
PlayStation, yes, very good.
and ma'am also yes, ma'am, when we go to the cinema hall, ma'am, the big
Yes. If students want to go to a movie in PVR and light is not there, so whole effort will waste now.
and ma'am,
And
sound
if
system.
sound system, yes, sound system will not work. And also, if students wants to see some live match, so he will go to stadium and light is not there, then floodlight will not work in the stadium. So again, all the effort
Ma'am,
will waste.
VR also uses electricity.
We are all these things we are using now only.
No, not VR. The
Huh.
virtual, we have no virtual wildlife safaris and all.
She's
Virtual
talking about virtual realities headset will be there, like VRs.
Acha, VRs, yes, yes, they are also using. I mean, you need to charge them now also, so directly or indirectly, dependent on electricity only. Okay. Next is safety and security. So how electricity is important for safety and security?
Ma'am, CCTV.
What?
Ma'am,
CCTV, yes. CCTVs, yes. Aryan, Charvi, Nishika, Snehal, turn on camera. No, ma'am. Why no, ma'am? Yes, Charvi. Why you are saying no, ma'am, no, ma'am? Charvi, turn on camera. Where is Charvi? Charvi. Yes, Charvi. Why is you are writing no, ma'am, no, ma'am? You are
Ma'am,
mute, I
before
think.
you asked about the chapters, right, ma'am?
हाँ, yes. So long before उसके बाद तो we started electricity. Yes, I'm not getting your point. What you are saying?
Ma'am, before you
हाँ.
asked us about the chapters, right, ma'am?
हाँ, yes.
Ma'am, then I said no, ma'am.
Acha, okay, okay. I just read your messages. Okay, so everyone is here. Now tell me. Only 3 students are talking. It's very unfair. Now, Charvi, you tell me. What is the use of safety and security of electricity usage?
Ma'am, ma'am, smart locks.
Yes, smart locks, very good. And
Ma'am, and also
also
ma'am, can antivirus count?
antivirus.
Ma'am, it's used for safety, right, ma'am?
Acha, हाँ, yes, yes, we can. Yes.
Ma'am, I made some quick notes about all the different components in an electrical circuit.
Components of electrical circuit.
Yeah.
Show me. Just a second. These are the components of electric circuit.
Yeah, all the components like fuse and everything.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay,
And I also
good.
wrote a bit about electric circuit, like the diagrams and all.
Good. Whenever you are making quick notes now, so try to make in points only. Like you are writing paragraph. Okay, so
No,
paragraph.
actually, I didn't want to take too much space.
No,
That's why I
ma'am.
didn't write.
Hmm.
I didn't write it. Okay, ma'am. I'll just write it in point first.
I mean, if it is suitable for you, then it's okay. But I think point. Okay, so point wise things easy for us to learn. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the importance of electricity. So everyone is clear why electricity is so important.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Now tell me one thing. This is open question for all of you. Okay. Suppose there is no electricity for a week. Okay. So we discussed importance of electricity in different area of our life. Like we discussed school, hospital, transport, entertainment. So you think and tell me out of these four, like I'm taking school, I'm taking hospital, transport and entertainment. So in which area will like collapse first? Out of a school, hospital, transport, entertainment. Condition is no electricity for a week.
Ma'am,
So
second one I didn't get.
which
Second,
would collapse first?
I mean, second.
Hmm. Got the question?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
you said four things, right? So
These
you
are four things only. Hospital, transport, and
okay.
entertainment, and one more thing. Yeah, school. Hmm. So just write in a notebook like first, second, third, fourth, like in a order. So which one collapse first? Number one, then second, then third, then fourth.
Ma'am, could you please repeat them again?
There,
Transport.
there is no electricity for a week. So we are having four area like school, entertainment, transport, and hospital. So which area will collapse first?
Ma'am, collapse, ma'am. Could you like tell like people won't be able to do the type of work?
Collapse matlab whole system will
Ma'am, like it will not be in order.
destroyed. Yes, whole system will destroy it.
It will not work as usual.
The system will not work.
Ma'am, can I get my pen, ma'am?
Ma'am, actually everything won't work, ma'am.
No, everything to ultimately yes, because we are dependent on electricity. But I'm asking which one is going to dead first? Everything to certainly everything. But everything at a time to nahi hoga na, one by one hoga. What is your opinion? I'm asking you.
Ma'am, maybe school?
You write down your sequence and tell you. You write down your sequence 1, 2, 3, 4 and tell me which is 1 for you, which is 2 for you.
Ma'am, yeah, I'm done. Ma'am, can I tell my options?
Done.
Done. Okay, Aryan, tell me.
So, ma'am, can I just give a short explanation for everything I wrote?
No, nothing, no explanation.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
just tell me the
First will
sequence.
be hospital, then entertainment, then school, then transport.
Hospital, then entertainment, then school,
Then
then
transport.
transport. Okay. Okay, Shreyans? Yes, agree?
Ma'am, hospital, school,
Hmm.
entertainment, transport.
Okay. Yes, Himank, tell me.
Ma'am, if like electricity goes, many things will crash, such as like the municipal corporation, as they use computerized method to monitor over their work done. Then the
Okay.
train and aeroplane
No,
booking
no,
sites.
these are four options. Hospital, entertainment, school, and transport.
Oh, then hospital, then school, then transport, then entertainment.
Okay. Nishika, yes, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. First,
Hmm.
like hospital, then transport, school, and then entertainment.
Hospital then,
Transport, school, and entertainment.
and school?
Entertainment. No, ma'am. School before entertainment.
This is your sequence.
No, ma'am.
Hos
Hospital,
huh.
transport, school,
Ah,
entertainment.
acha, okay. Everyone is different.
Yes, ma'am, that's what I'm noticing too.
Oh, last my entertainment. Okay. Nishika is done. Okay. Charvi?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Hmm.
hospital, school, entertainment, transport.
Hospital, school, entertainment, transport. So this is one, you know? Two.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, two good for this. Okay. Snehal and Uma, tell me.
Ma'am, mine is school, hospital, transport, and entertainment.
School, hospital, transport, and entertainment. Okay. And Snehal?
Ma'am, it's hospital, school, transport, entertainment.
Hospital, school, transport, entertainment. Oh, again, two vote. Okay. All are done? Is anyone left?
All are done, ma'am.
All are done.
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay. So, should I tell you the correct answer first or
Ma'am,
देखो,
correct answer.
No,
first
ma'am.
तो
Correct answer.
Ma'am, elimination process.
see, first the obviously first is hospital. See, because life depend on the hospital. There are so many lives which are directly dependent on the machines. Okay, so
Ma'am, our
first is
second is bad. Like it will divide everything, ma'am. It will
huh.
disperse them.
So if there is no life, so nothing is there, na? So most critical thing is the hospital. So first hospital will collapse if there is no light. Okay. Then after hospital, there is transport because transport is the backbone. Everything, there's supply chain which is dependent on the transport. Movement is dependent on the transport. I mean, transport is not then you just imagine nothing is moving on the road. Everything is empty. So the second thing is transport, which is collapsed due to
Ma'am,
the lack of
doesn't transport like works on CNG, gas, diesel,
yes.
petroleum? Then
Huh.
how is it second?
Like from where you will get your CNG or diesel or petrol? From
Ma'am,
where?
gas stations.
Huh?
Gas stations.
Gas station. So how your gas station will operate if there is no electricity?
Oh, okay.
Okay, so everything like electricity means no transport. No transport means nothing is there. It means you can't move from one place to another place, or not only human being, like every like supply chain depend on the transport. Everything you are getting which is coming from some other place. Okay, you are not getting your vegetable in your home balcony. You are getting from place, and from there also the vegetable coming from some other place. Okay, so whole supply chain will disturb, fuel will disturb, movement will disturb. So the second thing is the transport. Third, the most important thing is the education, school. Okay, if your life is there, if you can move from one place to other place, but third is the school. Education is not there, so life is waste. ठीक है, अगर आप पढ़ नहीं पा रहे हो, कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे हो, तो लाइफ का कोई पर्पस नहीं है. एंड हु इज दिस इंटेलिजेंट हु पुट एंटरटेनमेंट फर्स्ट? हाँ,
Ma'am,
who?
ma'am, I thought like,
Entertainment is more important than
no,
transport.
ma'am, I'm not telling like it's important, ma'am. I'm telling the situation of humans, ma'am. Like first, ma'am, I thought that, ma'am, basically I got confused in the transport, ma'am. I thought like we can use petroleum and gas. So I thought the transport will run slowly, that's it, like normally.
Achha.
Mhm.
Okay, so
Or else
entertainment
no
is
transport.
always, entertainment is always last, okay? We can
Yes, ma'am.
survive without entertainment for a
Yes, ma'am.
long, not on a week, more than a week. Okay.
Ma'am, more
So
than
watching.
ma'am, because
हाँ,
for a whole
yes.
life.
Then whole life, so it's not possible. Entertainment, see, entertainment is also very important part of our life. It's not like we can't do one thing for whole day. Okay? So, जितना आपका study important है, उतना ही आपका entertainment important है, because entertainment keep ignite our brain. Okay? If you are doing one thing, like suppose if you are doing study throughout the day, so the brain stop working. Okay, if I teach throughout the day, my brain stop working. I don't know what I'm teaching, who am I teaching, who is sitting in front of me, what question I'm asking. Okay, so entertainment is equally very important, but how we can survive without entertainment for a week or so. Okay, and who are the other? Because this option got rest, all of you like, now what, who is this? Like entertainment is second. I asked first
Aryan.
one. Huh?
Ma'am,
Aryan?
Aryan.
Yes, Aryan.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't know, ma'am.
ये minor mistake जो होती है ना इसीलिए होती हैं because entertainment is most important. तो दिमाग तो वहां लगा होता है.
My mindset was that school can work, it will be easy because school is not always about electricity. Like if we don't consider like lights, all that, school is based on teaching. Teachers can teach without electricity also if you're talking about like offline school. And then on transport, I forgot about the entire gas station thing. I was just
No. Entertainment means TV. Okay. Yes. Yes, Aryan.
ma'am, yeah, that's it. So that's why I put entertainment at second.
हाँ, चलो कोई नहीं. Abhi clear? Okay, so this was the fun question actually. This is not in our, like this question is not going to come in your exam. This is a fun question, okay? So in short, electricity is very important, whether it is hospital or transport or school or entertainment. But priorities are different for everything. Some things are more important, some things are thoda sa kam important, okay? This is the difference only, but everything is important, whether it is hospital or entertainment or school or any other thing. Okay, now let's start the electricity. So basically, this is the importance of electricity. So basically, electricity, what is the electricity? What is electricity? Yes, anyone?
Ma'am, it's a flow of current.
Yes, it's a flow of current. And what is current?
Ma'am,
Form of energy.
Yes, electricity is a form of energy. Very good. Electricity is a form of energy and it is flow of electric charges. So I'm starting the chapter with electric charges. This is which is 7th class. Okay. So we are starting with electric charges. So what are charges? Charges are, as we discussed in chemistry also, we are having electric charge is the basic property of any matter. Okay. And there are two kinds of charges. One is positive charge, one is negative charge. Okay. So this is the this is fundamental property of matter. And we are having two types of charges. What are these two types? Positive charge and negative charge. Yes, who will tell me which particle is having positive charge? All of you turn on camera. I'm not going to say again and again. Yes.
Ma'am, can
Aryan
I
and
try?
Charvi. Aryan and Charvi. Aryan, are you there? Charvi, are you there? Yes, Shins, tell me. Okay, Charvi. Yes, Shins, tell me.
Ma'am, the electrons are positively charged.
Yeah, say again.
Ma'am, the electrons are positively charged.
Electrons are positively charged. Okay,
Yes,
anyone
ma'am.
else? Anyone else?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, protons are positively charged.
Sorry,
Yes,
ma'am, I went to
proton.
use the
Oh,
restroom.
it's proton. Oh, I
Okay.
got confused, ma'am. Oh,
So-
P for proton.
Yes, P for protons. So protons are positively charged and electrons are negatively
Negative.
charged. Okay. And the charge carried by both these particles is same. How much charge they are carrying? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. And charge the unit of charge is coulomb. Okay. So this is coulomb. So difference is the sign only. Proton positive 1.6 10 to the power 19 and electrons negative 1.6 into 10 to the power 19 coulomb. Okay. So this is charge. Okay. And unit of charge is coulomb. Or in short, we are writing it C. Here. Now, what is this coulomb? I mean, 1 coulomb means what? So, if there is a question in your exam,
Ma'am,
okay, yes,
ma'am, then what is voltage, ma'am?
voltage is voltage potential difference. This is the potential difference. We will come on voltage. Okay, I'm starting with the very beginning. Okay, so 1 coulomb is what? Yes, Aryan, where were you? I was calling.
Ma'am, I said that I went to use the restroom. I told
Acha.
you.
Okay. So tell me, what is 1 coulomb?
Ma'am, I'm not sure about it because like it's not in our textbook.
Okay. So note down, 1 coulomb is charge of 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. Okay, इसका means क्या हुआ? If you are having 6.25 10 to the power 18 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. और आप यहाँ से डेसिमल हटा दोगे तो डेसिमल यहाँ आ जाएगा. ओके, अगर आपके पास इतने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं, इनके ऊपर जो चार्ज होता है दैट इज 1 coulomb.
Ma'am, why can't we
Got it?
consider 6.25 with 18 zeros as 6.25 itself? Because zeros after any unit of digit after in a decimal, after the decimal, that's counted as nothing.
No. It's not the point. Our suppose I'm saying, suppose I'm having 6, 2, 5, 6, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. कितने zeros हैं? ठीक है, अब आप इतने जीरो हर बार लिखोगे तो बड़ा टाइम वेस्ट होगा ना इतने जीरो लिखना और याद भी रखना कि कितने जीरोस हैं. तो इट इज इजियर वे you write 6.25 and count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13. So ऐसे आप लिख दो. इसका मतलब क्या है? 13 यूनिट्स हैं. इसके बाद 13 जीरोस हैं.
Okay, got it.
Okay. So what is the charge of 1 electron? This is the charge. This is 10 to the power minus 19. So बहुत ही small unit है. It's a very small unit. But 1 coulomb is charge of these much number of electron. Is it clear, everyone?
Okay.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So standard form is what, Charlie? Why are you messaging? Why don't you ask direct question?
Ma'am, in scientific notation, ma'am, exponents. We need to convert it, right, ma'am?
For what? For like if there is any numerical? Or what
No,
purpose?
Ma'am, like they'll give us a number and then we have to write it standard form, ma'am. Ma'am, the same way.
Yes. Okay, so this is the unit of charge, coulomb, and 1 coulomb means charge of these much number of electrons. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, with that 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, that is for which, ma'am? I forgot.
This is charge of 1 electron
Charge of 1
or 1 proton.
Okay.
Okay, so very little charge carried by 1 electron or 1 proton. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is for today. In next class, we will move to next topic, that is electric current. This is charge. Next time we will discuss electric current.
Today we asked a lot of general questions and went to the.
Yes.
Ma'am, today we discussed about the general part of electricity, ma'am.
General
Yeah.
part of electricity, yes.
Yes.
First, we discuss basic of electricity. What is charge? What is current? Okay, how they are related. पहले पूरा general discuss करेंगे. Then we will move to the effect of electric current. Okay, unit of current, unit of charge, how these two things are related. Okay, then we will move to the effect of electric current. We are having like heating effect of electric current now. In our
Yes, ma'am.
syllabus?
Yes, ma'am. Heating up.
Heating effect of electric current. So then we will move to that. Okay, because this is very important chapter. Until 12th grade, you will get this chapter. Like in next year also, 8th grade also. Then 9th mein I think nahi hai. 10th mein there is again resistance, potential difference, everything is there. Okay, so every class you will get some higher version of the same chapter.
Okay.
Okay, so this is a very important chapter. Okay, everyone. So here
Yes, ma'am.
till now. Okay then.
Bye,
See you
ma'am.
next
Thank
class.
you, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.